Well, today we're coming back with a little project of a motorcycle helmet rack. A little something to hang in your garage that may be a little decorative. When you hop off the bike, you can throw a helmet or two on, made from some simple tubing and some wood. You can hang your helmet up and have a little place to display it, or a quick grab like I do in my garage. This will be a fun little build, little project for a friend. For today's build, I have a 1x8 by 36 inch piece of pine. I've got some other pieces here, some stain, a sponge, some screws, and all the tubing and hooks to make this. I'm gonna cut this 38 inches. All right, so before we stain it, we want to go ahead and sand everything, stain it, and begin to put it back together. Okay, so get your nail gun or your brad gun. Make sure you got some brads in it. And make sure you got a couple drops of oil to lubricate it. You don't get it jammed up. We're gonna have a hanger on the back of this like you would hang a picture, but I also want to put 2 holes in it in case we want to put a larger screw in, secure it really well, and almost like you would for a sheetrock. So this helmet rack is from my buddy Donnie, who I've been riding with for about the last 10 years since we moved to Savannah, Georgia. So this helmet rack for him, he is a motorcycle fanatic like I am. He's a pocket knife guy. He's a coffee junkie like me. And so I felt to go with the stain of espresso was appropriate for his helmet rack. Let's go ahead and stain this. You're gonna wanna get a little sponge brush and a rag to wipe it off. One final touch is a little hook you can hang the key. Now the only thing left to do is see how she hangs, put the helmets on, hang the keys, slot the sunglasses, and call it a day. Well, I think it turned out great. Hopefully my buddy Donnie likes it. I think this is what he had in mind, something to just put in the garage, hang your helmets, or maybe it's in your office, wherever it is. And I think it turned out pretty cool, just something a little different, place to throw your stuff, your motorcycle gear. If you liked the video, give us a like, maybe hit subscribe, put a comment below what you thought, maybe you try it yourself.